I'd like to start by thanking all the students who came over here. Thanks for that from both the DPS, from both the DPSs. And I'd like to thank Honorable Prime Minister of India, PM Narendra Modi, Honorable Prime Minister of Malaysia, Muhyiddin Yassin, and Malaysian Ambassador to India, Mr. Hidayat Abdul Hamid, and Indian Ambassador to Malaysia, Sri Mridul Kumar, and Dr. Jyoti Gupta, founder and director of DPS Saibabad, and Mrs. Sadhana Sharma, principal of DPS Saibabad, and Captain Dr. Dinisha Bardwaj Singh, Global Indian International School, Kuala Lumpur, and Madam Manila Carvalho, principal of Delhi Public School, Bangalore East. So I and Shrikriti will be moderating this student ideas exchange program. So if you have any doubts, any part, you can let us know. We'll help you out with that. And so once again, I welcome all of you to this program. And just be comfortable, just be confident, just do what you feel. You have no pressure upon you, and just be confident and speak well. Just speak like you guys have met each other for a long time and be confident. And I and Shrikriti will be explaining why foreign exchange is critical during this 21st century. So Shrikriti.
So it's a human tendency to interact with each other and make new friends, interact with a lot of people, network basically. And student exchange helps in evolving this idea of interaction, helps young students with young minds, youthful ideas to help interact, exchange ideas, and basically help eradicate all the so-called boundaries that we have in the world.
That was beautifully said by her. So I like to address the cultural aspect to it too. So culturally, we all know the world we are living in is built by ideas, and ideas come from when cultures come together, when different people come together. That's when new ideas are born. And secondly, when you understand new culture, when you get oriented to a new culture, when you understand new culture, you become a broader perspective. You have a broad perspective on everything. Let it be politics, let it be anything which comes under the sun, you have a broader perspective. And Shrikriti, the educational aspect, we like to address it.
So obviously, student exchange has a very in-depth educational aspect to it, and I'll highlight a few of them, such as we get to raise awareness of our different cultures, show how proud we are of what cultures we have, and show how proud we are to be a part of a, a whole society which has different cultures which can offer a lot to us. We have different style of education that helps us understand, learn more new things outside our classroom, and later on in life, during when we are working in jobs, this information, this networking, and this bond that we create through these exchange programs helps us to expand with our employment opportunities too.
That's beautifully said, Shrikriti. So as that is out of the way, I'll just like to give certain instructions. So please keep this in mind. I want all your videos to be switched on throughout the time, because those cameras which are not switched on will be removed from the conference. And secondly, unmute only when needed. You don't need to unmute anywhere in between or before that.
I would like to thank Madam Noor Farsha Mohammed from GIS Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Welcome, ma'am.
Okay, hi everyone. I'm Miss Farsha. Salam sejahtera. Selamat datang. Vanakkam. Huang Ying, Guang Ying. These are the few words that normally Malaysian people are usually used to greet the people, which is we are using in Bahasa Malaysia, Indian and Chinese. The meaning is a welcome and a good day. Namaste everyone. Okay, before we will start this event, I would like to share a few words with everyone, which is might be, I would like to share a few words in Bahasa Malaysia as a Hai apa khabar. It means how are you? Maybe one of you can recall back whatever I have said. Hai apa khabar?
Hi, apa
Anyone want to try?
Hi.
From
Apakaba.
Yeah.
Hi, Apakaba.
Yes, it's great, great. So anyone else you want to try? Hi, apa kabar? It means how are you, everyone?
I
Hi,
will
apa kabar?
invite
How are you, everyone?
Saibaba
Yes,
students.
yes, great. Thank you. It's a nice thing.
DPS Saibaba students, can you speak together? Hi, Apakaba.
Hi,
Hi,
Apakaba.
apa kabar?
Yes, yes, good.
Great, great. Okay. Without further delay, I would like to thank you to Miss Tanya, Mr. Pranav, and also with our principal, Dr. Captain Danisha. And it's the honors and privilege from us from JS Kuala Lumpur to participate in this program. We have taken this opportunity to talk about the beautiful Malaysia. Malaysia is incredibly diverse country containing many different ethnic, languages, and religions. As a result, Malaysian society accommodates a rich variety of lifestyle, beliefs, and value. Without further delay, I would like to introduce these groups of students will be representing about Malaysian on several topics. Group 1, Malaysian Culture and Ethic, Alan Josh, Katikayan, Javish, Mutu Mekala, Soleha, and Yutika. Group 2, Festival and Celebration in Malaysia, Nitika, Snigda, Rupal, Akshara, and Divraj. Group 3, Tourist Attraction in Malaysia, Adia Singh, Anjali, Avantika, Pahal Singh, and Twinkle. Group 4, Malaysian Heritage, Dakshina, Nadal, Nyotika, Satyam, and Sai Santuch. Okay, let's start with the first group. Okay, first group, you may